Hey girl, welcome back. So if you ever looked around online and you thought, everyone's selling something, but how do I know exactly what works, right? Please know that you're in the right place. Because listen, not every digital product, whether you create it or not, is worth your time. Now, some look good on the outside, but there's no real demand for it. And then there's others, they quietly bring in consistent, peaceful income month after month. So today we're going to talk about it, like how to find the right products to resell, the ones that actually move, they make sense, and they match the season of the life that you're currently in right now. So go ahead and grab your notebook and pen, get your favorite beverage. I got some water over here, and we're going to slow down, talk through it, and we're going to make sure you never waste another minute promoting the wrong thing. Okay? You ready? Let's go. When I first started selling digital products, I made the mistake a lot of women make. I fell in love with pretty. Not profitable, but pretty. The products looked so cute, but the branding was on point too, but nobody was buying. And I couldn't figure out why. So then one day I asked myself, okay, what are people already buying? What are people searching on YouTube? What are they asking in Facebook groups? What are they spending their money on without hesitation? And it clicked for me. Okay. The best selling products weren't always the prettiest or the most complex. They were the ones that were solving an everyday problem. So it was right then, that moment, I stopped guessing and I started looking and listening more. Okay. I got out of Canva, stopped doing all that creating, and let me go out here and see what people are really asking for and either create that or license it. So I'm going to break this down. If you are thinking about becoming a digital reseller, whether you're selling templates, guides, or done for you systems, there are three things to look for before you put your time or money into any product. Okay, we're going to go over these three things right now. I want you to write these down because listen, I talked about digital reselling in a video. I'm going to link it down below. So watch that video if you're not familiar with digital reselling. I talked about that in that video. Okay. First thing you got to look for is demand. You want to choose something that people are already looking for. Like that's what makes digital reselling so smart. You don't have to create demand. You just meet it. You partner with it. So I want you to ask yourself this: is the product solving a real problem? Like, is it something people are searching for daily? Would I buy this if I saw it? That's all I would ask myself. A quick way to like check is to look at platforms like TikTok, Etsy, or even YouTube search. Type in the type of product you are considering and see what comes up. If you see people talking about it, reviewing it, or selling similar things, that's a really good sign. So for example, like planners, guides, and resellable digital business kits are hot right now because people want speed. They want something they can plug into and start using, and as well as selling today. Second thing you want to look at is relevance. Okay. A profitable product is one that fits the season we're in. So for example, like during tax season, financial templates do very well. But in the summertime, people are buying content planners, digital courses, business setup guides, and at the end of the year, productivity, like even now, goal setting products really take off. So I want you to think about timing. I'm not talking about chasing trends, but to meet people where they are. What are women talking about right now? Okay. What are they planning for, saving for, or even dreaming about? So when you align your offers with what's relevant, you don't have to convince anyone. I mean, they're already ready, right? Okay. So the third thing you want to consider is rights. Now, this is the part that trips people up so bad. Like, you can't just grab a random product and resell it. You need the right license. So that's what makes this legal and sustainable when it comes to having a reseller business. When you buy a product with resale rights or commercial license, you have the permission to sell it as your own and keep 100% of the profits. That's what makes this reseller model so powerful. Okay. If the product is already done, the system is already built, and you get to step in as the owner. So inside the what I call my soft life reseller blueprint, it's a guide that I walk you through exactly how to check for this, where to find products that's already, ready. They already come with resale permissions. That's how you build a business that lasts. So the truth, girl, you don't need hundreds of products. You really don't. You need one good one. Okay, maybe follow about some other, but one good one to start with. One that solves a problem, that feels good to share, and it fits your life. When I stopped chasing by variety, right, and focused on one strong offer, everything got easier for me. Like, my content got simpler, my message got clearer, and my sales became consistent. So if you find yourself constantly switching products or strategy, I want you to pause and ask yourself, do I really believe in what I'm selling? Yeah. Because when you believe in it, you don't have to force it. You just show up. You share it naturally, and the right people, they'll feel that energy. Trust me, I know. Here are your next steps, okay? Because I'm your coach. I got to give you some steps. I want you to find one digital product that checks all three boxes: demand, relevance, and rights. Okay. But if you're ready for something already proven, where I got all those pieces done for you, you can simply step into and start earning and grab my Soft Life Reseller Blueprint. So it's going to walk you through how to find in-demand digital products that already are selling, plus how to set up your reseller business from scratch. Okay. How to do it in a simple way on your own time. Now, don't forget also, when you download it, you can also join my free Telegram community, the Soft Life Circle. That's where I share behind the scenes updates, small wins, and stories from other women just like you who are finally seeing results with less stress. Remember, this business is not about hustle, okay? It's about alignment. It's about peace. It's about our money, honey, okay? Our profits walking hand in hand, because you do know you can have both, right? Yeah. Okay. You don't have to do it all by yourself. You just have to start with one product that's already working. Okay. And I got that for you. So download that guide. It's going to help you set everything up step by step. And then you do have the opportunity to resell it if you want to. And I also give you PLR rights too. And what that means is, not only can you resell the guide, you don't have to do it as is. You can make changes to it. So I'll give you the direct editable Canva file, and you can definitely, I will encourage you, first go through it, take action. All right, get your thing set up. Okay, and then once you do that, then you can get the Canva file and you can resell it. You can please add your own brand into it, add your name to it, put your oomph to it. Okay. That's what I have it for. So this is what I love to do. I love being a reseller and helping women not only learn from what I'm selling, right? But also you can earn from it. So you can turn right back around. You can use it for your own business. All right. So I'm super excited to continue to do these videos to help women to become resellers, to help women to start businesses faster. Why not? Right? The big boys are doing it in other businesses, so we're gonna do it too. Okay. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to comment below. I would love to answer your questions. And also my email is below too if you want to email me. I am here to help you, to serve you, okay? Get the guide and do that. Come and join the Telegram community. That's where I'm hanging out as well. And please like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. And make sure also hype the video up. You have that option. Hype it up so we can get this out to more soft life girlies, okay? I cannot wait to see you on the other side. Bye, girl.